Madam Pacho, first statement no can say pride. If I say me bisa say yem fa ne say me ne sister 80 fee. Ono aka aye ne ye nyina ma mahu say me pa de on pe me ne ntem free ye. Enti me so me hu saa de ne ne ye na wo ye no. Me da me ho sese ne me so me nkasa ne ho da e pride am.
No. Chiano. If you say the all ye no and do a coldness no eba no komu ye na eba no na eda ne tan atenka one onya fine waka ne baabi mpa ma wate ebi kura mpa o ka no kura no na winam ne mpoma echi sister so na si die me dia me pena sebo me ne nya kama kura me hu no kura na me bu afu ti sa iye ne madam so a ho so dia wada na so ne be ya atenka no enkoya atenka enye na di afodie bi beba e wo nya nkopon animu no wo se wo tamfo sire wo nsuo pa and sister Smith good morning few oh sister mechiao good morning amana ya han ye wo mu no enye bia na wo se di pa mo nye pe
Father, you know, so you're quite sorry.
Hey, you are sorry, Nidia Jai. I sorry now, okay. I sorry, they say, I'm welcome, and well be now, say, how can I have a boy? No, I will move and the be a Christopher. And welcome in your can I can see a preacher among 40 years since Mohammed, or when you know, we preach no be any we twin and nakata so praising no sure kofi ko here ko sure and the from mukra why I'm from mukche e ka dey am for okay the wo wani asan dem dey kwesi akeke nyame frefre for e do mo babie ka ma obenya nsatraye ensu emua wo na mo fo ebi adom a wanya no enya no bi na wo manya ebi a woti nyame ne ntem na pem na wonte ensu bi a wonamu no beti enti sa wo de ho yawo ehye wo mu ne nti wo hya ase sa wo de na etwe saa wa anhwe ya wo nyame ba na wo ye ebi a nyame do akwa akodua fie ho se wonam so saa afo ko aka ne baabi sister Smith Tina Messia dinner in our Canocro, sister do you go? When you would and you move in your Kanaka, who builds you. Me would you mean you? When you're young, Juma. There's a copy so back as I said, eh, yeah. The one, copy so be no higher or because I was watching far, mean I can't age so. Well, see, if you ask that time, how much charge you? If you ask any yaji. There's more come out to my real one, the better number. I think John chapter 16, verse 20. It's the animals I see, so I am going and you be brave. Why? Shade. Why? Peter.
But you, Okasa free, Okasa, your friends a hand time. Because me, then your friends your call. SS no ena mi kan say madam Fubako ena
Muntio
madam Fubako but madam from the school mu de wo ya de pa asuan de nti okay yo me si tam ne mi ku ye ko school no your SS ena madam Fubako but say de obo ni humo dia asuan dia school dia onimade ena gabi but gen amubu stand dia amu skapa ena madam funu so dia amubu stand dia amu ha but say de madam funu onimade dia gen dia nani je your friends boy no ena o say ofa omu fa friend say
madam
say that is there that is na mi boa ne mu wale but mu ni na mu ko asori ba ko but ebedu bibi na say the girl na omu busanfo omu oska de omu sise saa boy ni na obeware de omu mpinyi da na again ususu enu asu de saa boy na no but eba saa de boy no su okatre girl no su say eba saa de on twi ehun free na again su de on mpinyi da de na besi biare enu na besi but eba hon de ha boy no ni busafo so ha omu nti se eba saa de ekwan be na be ma no be fa so asana na wo twi no Africa oba no
Niko ni bi de ba e bo friend afra omo mpene ejai woni odo ya atenka you psych your mind o ye wa dwene na se wo do nipa na obetimi adon eda abaye wa dwene se wo no ni bio no wo ma ne to adwene num se nipa no no ni bio ana adwene na fa ibi bi obeye bia will put you off le se nipa no won sesan na nim nkodi na chi o nipa kro na ya adwene na de ba ko a ekoso mia bebre sikafo pese omo ware ya sikafo na sika na kam ehiafo anya ya odwan ko don so anya onya ya ubisa ge na onamo na asabi ne ho na asabi sawisa na nimfuru ban na me de nyame bua da chi pa minya ba ma obawo ware me no de me atena kam a here ni pesi kani aware o na so sikani mpe here ni aware ye for no friend Koba ni say esikafu abusua da eno ya hantan ni ye ni bia won sika na owo no nti ama won fata say be pini wo no saa na tie o ba bi bebre eji se nyame sunsun e wo mu ansa se koba ni say se omo mpewa na baby betimi ni oba na ye danfo a openasem woti ase o onti ase o opinisu o wonpinisu o efie na wodi agro akomo no ye se ye nyo ye yi agrom
ya kama nyomba
chofrim ya tinka so ati ase aha eni odo achi mfa tiri nkonko sejem ede abubeku na be ma na omo pese omo ba ni ware no be ma ni beba be ma ni baba so ofu nda kema mu yakosi o ye da na do na odo ba ni beko Sanko moy nyame bua next week aka 3 points bi me develop ya fa ho why
Really Reverend add up na pesa me de aha really no me kwa sorry na enchechire no ena pastor emeti ase by sa add up no ebitima boa some societal influence no and environmental no influence no oh my reading the ninya ne say ye ni pay dey
Brahima
I am brave you say Brahima mine no say white you busa the question
ima
say ima
kasa kase
na ninya
kase yesuesu ye ho dini
Peter ye ninya ne say ye ni pay
ubo odi kire
am actually friend Edward no ejuso aha na ninya ne say ye ni pay dey ya nipa bu ha omutiri mo odin papa in a sense ebisi ye on say life na ya nkofu bi abobi ato wadada enti hwe bai wo kukura na hwe iso na Jacoba uti musi bi esida se wa hwe se wa wunia iso ni Jacob na uti mi ka se ono ansa na obema na dia ne di nko ade e wo so woton be fried e de man de na nkukura na dwembe pa ne se utiri mi so while me new near see you na me baba bejiska uska ya me meje me sad with interest esa beka ho nti odwe ho a na ensiye so na ohwa iso ri Jokopo na ankasa o ensira breast no no sa na maame asa akwakobopo se sa ensira be nko ade se be ko east die enen kan san ko west enti ohwa ma na se societal influence in there ya beba by who read this chapter on a quechira. A dream be Tama, ne papa no, Esra, Jacob no, or catch and say, whoever bless you will be blessed. You will be the head and not the tail. But now, Ninia, I can't say, Esau, ever part only or man some solution. In a solution, and I'm saying, you can't want them. And it's a bit my boy, Abraham. Or catch and says, so read this Genesis chapter 27, verse 41. Who read it from various verses now. Never say good news translation. In easy to only your verse be. Or chance say, but when you fight to be free, you will break away from his control. In the fight, no yes or quack fight may be a say, will be our problem, you know about sorry. Now say you didn't so and bit my wow. So I didn't answer back in and say at least I didn't say we. So say we will be asking the sexual sin, moral bad, but on bit by Ninjas of by King and what's at least, oh, try a class room. Aha, and I'm a swap wow. Yes, idea went to me, aha, over for years. Would to miss ya and a son's bit my boy, one my when some solution. Na aha,
I mean, Papa pay you. What's a hand? Okay.
Question is say,
Moment you.
Bia, me friends, ho. Ena, or more for me, and I say, Bibia Bana, Ama say, from so abai in town. See, I settle case, you know. You share not only default, or money from me. But see, no, ya settle case, no, made your mobile idea, actual one, or from so actual. But see, no, me trim me home, if from Hoka, send a bear. Ni omodi ye me man ye me ya no omonsa enye bio enti amasisi no metwetwe me ho is that pride ena ebiem nso say friends ye nyini ya obi nyina ya ku school ama ebi omanya adwuma ya na say o ma sha say toka so mu sifie ba me so menya nsifie enti ebia me hu omosa no ama eno so me pese me yeden me si fie ni bi anase me toka ni bi se na be ya be level nti me the hard work me ye adwuma den se na be ya me metimi aduru sa omo level no and also is that me hu omo sa na envy anase jealousy anase bia me ka se o me de mani mbre obia bibia nti no me wie school de bia me sa na ehye ni botom na me titifie de bia oh na wo de won kwa adwuma oh de bi me de mani mbre obia obi bi hwe se benya bi dia mame
it's rather a challenge. They challenge you. So, aha. What cost to cool in a year? Book ni yedi. You need book no. I was some of my book no. I do peer no akodi. So, aha. They were siano. And for practicalize you or more year or more year ni year jumama and faswa baso. The omo year no ebomuna show. Oh, okay. Say na we mo ye no say na okay nti say na dey me fire be ye nti na so abo ho so enye envy that is it's rather motivation encouragement unu say now for ne obi a pa adwuma ntu so apie wo ko pa adwuma na emom say wo munya na wo so wunya na wani sa ka kiri wo mu die no say wunya ya nka be ka me de ho a that is envy that is the first question. If you ever were near, oh, itu asie ye ntwaso empanisi kasedia itia sumpre no obi otia kasedia sumpre da ebi si kwasedia nya kwasedia kase itia kase so a so tia so bi oyi kwasedia de obi tie itia so be ta no e kwasedia Memoir. Ele fala com a cidade dela, but kasedia de wodi eduane ye onyina na nkase tuatu ya ho tu na si so hwe ade wo so o ha ye pulele no wo fancy enti wo mo wani da ho na so kwa fa so ya sa ade no me recommend kwan bi ama wo ma gi atum wo mu di for ya pa o chow eye etina ja okay yeah ko ha o oh okay we are ready I am my friend now akọ wo mo dia anyway they say oh okay yeah I'm say dia mo kan so ye but we team with the group no nya dey on ka ho wonu ma ko mienu miensa one level awie okay ana fie be ko ana dia my tight kakra enti mo nko the following time omo ba na amukwa ye say ni when nyambo next week mo kwa amon frame next week na asa na omukọ obi ni say wo twon ho the following week one my excuses at was on yensa that can say afidi ya na that's my bread we dey monko me ye free a we dey wo mu abedwan ne mo na wunye free ne afi omo kwa ba no bi we dey okra ya koba da bi ya koba na obi se bisai wo pese oba bi abra wo pese o hu na abra on su pese obe ru nti onya dai dan so tu omo akasa omo ho no mu di nkomo kama wa dwene pa de on kire o plans pa de na baby and no na e ma yaw sa yaw na ya de e ni pakra e ma me se wo kakra group no mreki yawe udo mu hia no mo manso so bia ni ho na so nka fakuo ni ho bi okọ so na say the city wo me ba benya obi wa ya ode omo ye o na ano no kwaya fa so tu sa na mo no wa hwe ya wo de bim die na dia kodi fo so you just have to be very smart, very wise, very prudent. Don't you tell me? You tell me. Papa, you are about why?
But you need to judge me. If you go through me by. The question I make is say, Father. Then you are. When I say now, oba bi ne abantie bi. Na person who say nipa bia no o standard a obetimi e de ama ho na saa de no na se nyina no ya nhyɛ ne nso a because chance bia o nimu aso akutu sɛ de e bia standard bia mpɛ sɛ me de me magina am hwɛ sɛ me de obedu saa mpɛmpɛnso no o de hwɛ ade o obi a yɛtete wɔ singing room na obi a yɛtete no flat mu or ne bedroom, the toilet and bath issue. Oh, public toilet in our call. Now, we all have said, I call a no bedroom, a certain level. No, ya papa make it standard here. Then, Aman, this standard now. So when Timmy and Twasu are on my form, and Tina Yama a heaven standard. It is all a Christian one meet heaven standard, ultimate master standard. And Tinibia was standard or Abrabum. This standard no. And I shall be standard now for so who walk through home. And it may be one of Blabom and Tansy. So do you see back who a man find the argument said, you see, so when you are in Ibina, the entire first entire day is miracle when Yadia Tessie, a friend miracle. It is a year who sign your man no. Now, no, if you so be on no tea, so flat now to sing you room. We will do a numera. What the robber shipping to robber walk toilet. And do this how by you know. What catch us our pen no. Ebe ye. So, also who's assassin no room no. What me no want tonight. Oh, who knows the world be say then. And live be. Today what happen no. You will heaven standard. What you say? We do all my pen to robber muna. What toilet. So, Anna, the Wakasa do on my so that can say the voice of the people is the voice of God. Omobua. The voice of the God people. And near Yamen Crawford, and the Yamen. But say we are so 4 years near Mana, also your Christian in our Casa Sana, Unia, dear, and ye to be a wetty. Because Sodom has no Bible, but not virgin for a day. Ewo hono Awurade Israel from Bismarck Abanga. If you talk about now, first, it is a all can't forgiveness. And now, I said, third mode, laziness. All can't boniface. And now, quadro. Until now, can be said, yes, you boniface. Now, me question is, me nua tifie ana adwuma mu ana wodi mi yaw o yodi mi boni bi a kye se wan nunu ho se wodi mi boni ebi ti se wadwuma na wo ka se wo ya kwadro na woni obi ye adwuma se wo yi ni firim ansa na wo be se wadwuma no nti yamfa ne se abrabom yi me kwose ne se ihe mfa na yesa yeri nipa bɔ ne kyɛ no adwuma mu de wa fom a anye sɛ wo fa kyɛ no but outside adwuma de wa fom a yesa wo de kyɛ na na because
yo example ya me na ye no adwuma me ne wo ye no principle a guide excellence adwuma ye nyina o sɛ ehu twa na anya sɛ adwuma mu no bia akwa ɛdan na yesia ma nipa betenam security ade ehia o sɛ nipa wura dan ni mu a o feel secure o wura dan ni mu o hunu sɛ aha de ma wura dan mu bibia ntimi nyame yate ase na yesika enye sika ketwa yɛka so obi si dan a minua bɛka bɛdi adanse yɛtumi pagye sika bi a bɛɛ 50,000 boom ne yɛde ama wo hwɛ a bɛka sɛ ɔde ɛnyɛ ɔde a ebi a mfa so ɛda so yɛ kete na yɛkɔ akɔsi dan a onipa pagye bi a 500 million 200 million 100 million 50 million wɔde ama wɔ brɛ a wabrɛ ɛdan bia nso wɔ ne life span pɛɛ sɛnea wosi calculate dan no bɛtumi ahunu sɛ dan wɔ sɛ di 50 years wɔ sɛ di 100 years na wayiyi materials na ne basabasabasa mo amfa saa nneɛma na anyɛ na yɛwie na yɛkɔ wagye wo sika na wadi ɛdan na mfie mmienu na cracks abam yɛbɛtia ne gym yɛaboa nipa no yɛamoa nipa no enti sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a memma wonyɛ saa adeɛ no enti ɛnyɛ sɛ woayɛ bɔne o woanyɛ adeɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛsie you didn't do the correct thing and you are being corrected the fair punishment be punitive corrective punishment correct punishment wotwe nipa na so nanso wode etene no next time onyɛ saa ɔwɔ yere wɔ ma papa ɔma me yi wɔ me saki wɔ mo ibi papa panimu pa Oscar so you can't work with me go home na yi mani ato nkyɛn ɔnkɔ make us say wɔne ne yere ne ne mma ɛde do mu kodi ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ me ya o ɛyɛ me ya na so standard na ya set no ɛde obi bɔtɔ mu sika ɛde ɛde yɛ sɛ adwuma no wɔnyɛ me bɔne adeɛ na ɔsɛe no ɛne ya correct yɛ enti next time wɔn nipa korɔ mmra na ne dan no esi hɔ kama oh father thank you very much wɔn ne wɔn nkurɔfoɔ nyame nhyira mo paa ɛdan a wɔasie owia hey father osi dan yo me dan no na esi father me nua bi pɛ won kɔnkɔ nya wa na me san na o kɔ akɔyɛ pani si adidi da na yɛ so enti ɛno ne deɛ ɛnyɛ bɔne correction yɛ ayɛ what I say ɛnyɛ bɔne wɔ nyame anim sɛ me ma anyɛ saa deɛ na me manipa ne deɛ amemɛmfɛn ɛnya me ho bɔne a mato ne suntudua me metumi ayi ano ebebisa me ɛhɔ nso wontumi nkɔtiti wotiri obi agye ho sika di na ɔkɔ papa yi sɛ wona wiase mu na woanyɛ principle da obi de osika bedwa nanka obi a ɔyɛ principle biara nso nipa sɛ wɔnyɛ but the last week me can say life thrives on principles ɔbrɛ yɛ ɛnam wɔ wiase mu ɛde mmerɛ bi ɛna nam nti wontimi nye obra mra so a forget it won ka ho wodi na mu kwa baako eye nokre wodi nokre wa asase so a wodi ama yanya wo dai you get somewhere what you